What's up, everyone? Momo Forex again, back with the good Forex chart breakdown goodies, guys. Let's get to it. I'm going to talk about two pairs I smacked last week. So let's get to it, guys. Euro GBP and USC SGD. Euro GBP, a lot of you guys are familiar with this currency pair. USD SGD, it's an exotic pair. A lot of you guys do not like exotic pairs and do not trade exotic pairs as well, but I do. I'm mostly a swing trader. I trade a lot of different currency pairs, and I do this efficiently with proper risk management, and I'm pretty consistent with it. You can check out my Telegram history and all that stuff. So let's get to it, guys. Euro GBP and USD SGD. Let's start with Euro GBP right here. So I took this trade around here, and yes, I called it out live on the analysis group right here, Euro GBP. So let's get to the breakdown real quick, guys. Why did I enter this trade? So we can start with reading what I wrote on the analysis channel real quick. Euro GBP setting up structure with a continuation of several key levels broken and maintenance of lower highs and lower lows. Let's start with that before going into the other part. What do I mean when I'm saying it's breaking multiple key levels and it's maintaining a series of lower highs and lower lows? So let's rewind the chart to before this trade happened when I called it out. As you can see, this is what the chart looked like. I called it out right there as well. So you can see a predicted price will retest the level, show some rejection, and head downwards and continue the downtrend. So let's get to Euro GBP right here. So what I meant by maintaining structure and breaking multiple key levels right here. As you can see, I have one key level drawn up and I have another one drawn up, and I drew this live as well. One key level here, another one here, and Euro GBP came down nicely and broke these two key levels. So this was set to keep going down with a potential retest and multiple rejection wicks at this zone. So this is what I meant by it breaking multiple key levels and looking to continue the downtrend. So let's get to the other part. Maintenance of lower highs and lower lows. Like I said in previous videos, guys, checking market structure is very important, and also monitoring the highs and the lows helps you identify the trend very, very easily as well. As you can see, Euro GBP, this high right here, higher than this high right here. We have a lower high right here, and we have this low right here. This zone right here with all these lows is higher than this low. So we have this low, lower than this low. So we have a lower low, and we have a lower high as well, meaning it's continuing the clear downward market structure, and most likely will keep on going down, right? So this is what I meant with that, by that. So let's keep going to the other part. I'm waiting for a possible retest of the previous zone, followed with multiple strong rejections to go short. Okay, so as you can see, again, this is a screenshot. So I was waiting for price to retest the zone again and show me multiple rejection wicks at the zone, so I can hop in for short to go in for a sell and have take profit somewhere down here. So I call this out. Where is that? I called this out 11 p.m. July 7th. So the next day, when I woke up, as you can see, price retested the zone. A lot of people entered right here. Some people entered here with these multiple rejection wicks. As you can see, price came to this level and started rejecting. So you can see an indication of sellers coming in hard to continue the downtrend. So price came back to the level, several rejection wicks, came back again, several rejection wicks. A lot of people entered here, which is absolutely perfect, right at the level right there. I woke up, when did I wake up? Whenever I woke up, around like 10 or something. Slept late that day for some reason. Anyway, so I woke up around here and I entered here. Entered a little bit late, but it was still good because I was maintaining a decent risk-reward ratio still. I would have loved to enter like here, which would have been a much better entry, but this is still fine. So I entered around there, Euro GBP, and that is the analysis right there. Worked out absolutely perfectly. I had two entries actually. I had another entry as well, Euro GBP, for a further drop downwards, targeting another level below. So I had two entries on this. The first one hit take profit nicely. Let's scroll down a little bit. Oh yeah, posted a video. Shot it bad. Anyways, enough with that. I caught what, like $644 on that. Perfect. And another trade, a loss. GBP AUD. Yeah, this is another trade I called out. Lost this setup right here. GA, called it out right here. Didn't work out so well. I closed it before it hit take profit, so it wasn't a big loss. It's a small, tiny loss. Lost about almost $500 on that, but won a lot more on Euro GBP, and I still had more positions running on Euro GBP. And as you can see, as I close another position after a further drop on Euro GBP, made a lot more on that. So I ended the day with a huge win instead of even break even or anything like that. So the day ended with $824 win. So let's get to USC SGD. That's the chart breakdown of Euro GBP. Very clear, very simple. Market heading downwards. Have a series of lower highs and lower lows. Price came back, retested the zone with multiple rejection wicks at the zone. I caught one position here and another position at the big drop. So let's get to USD SGD real quick. This is a more complex trade right here. So USD SGD, as you can see, similar to Euro GBP on a clear downtrend right here. Market came to this key level, but I entered this on an engulfing bar setup. As you can see, price broke this level, came back, retested this, formed a nice engulfing bar, but I did not take this trade. I took it right here when I saw it retest again and formed another engulfing bar. So I was in this trade for a while because, as you guys know, the market has been choppy the past few weeks. Very choppy. If you've been trading Forex, you know how slow the market has been. It's been like just super slow. But price maintained to stay below the level and around break even for the most part, and never came to my stop loss whatsoever. So this was a nice win. So I entered right here. Let me start breaking this down. Price is on a steady downtrend overall and higher time frames. Like I said, guys, I'm a swing trader, so exotic pairs do not really bother me. Most people who trade, who scalp exotic pairs, really will mess you up because of the spreads and all the other stuff. So let's keep going, guys. Downtrend right here. Price breaking multiple key levels, as you can see. As price broke this level, came back, retested the zone, and as you can see, we have one clear engulfing bar right here. Like I said, I missed this setup, but as price retested the zone again, we have a H4 engulfing bar right at the zone over here, H4 engulfing bar right here. So I entered this trade somewhere around here, and there was also a H1 engulfing bar. So I think I entered a little bit earlier right here on the H1 engulfing bar. Why I moved this right here, this is my entry. I had this over here because I stacked again, and I'll show you guys that I stacked later on the Telegram channel, and I posted everything right there. So I entered first position right here on the H1 engulfing bar right there, and another position I entered again on the H4 engulfing bar as well. So another position right there as well. As you can see, this consolidated for a long, extended period of time before heading downwards to the take profit. USD SGD came down a little bit, came up back into the zone, came down some more, back into the zone, some more consolidation. I stacked again somewhere around here later on, after it came back to the zone and started rejecting with multiple rejection wicks at the zone on the higher time frame and also on a lower time frame. So downtrend, multiple key levels broken, came back, retested the zone, clear engulfing bar with rejection as well after the retest. That's why I entered this trade, and it worked out perfectly. So let's go to the Telegram channel. This is where me and Nick post our stuff. This is me, Momo, and this is Nick. You can identify who posts what. So between these two trades, in one day I made, these are other trades on Euro GBP I closed. As I mentioned earlier, I entered twice. Let me go up to it. like I said, there was one entry right here, which is on the minute 15, took profits right here, and there was another entry on the hour one right here, which was all the way down here, and I closed my position somewhere almost before it hit the take profit. So somewhere around here, I closed my positions in profit. So let's go to the photos and check it out. Yeah, so in one day I made about 4,000 in just these two trades, and I have a big account, so yeah, this is with proper risk management and timing and understanding of market structure and everything that comes with it. So absolutely perfect. Those two trades worked out nice, and that is the chart breakdown, guys. That week I did amazing. I think I took 4 trades, or at least called out 4 clear analysis. 3 of them worked out perfectly. 1 of them failed, GBP AUD, like I mentioned earlier, lost that trade, closed it before it got to the stop loss. There's another trade I called out. Let me just add one more analysis, guys. Let me just add one more analysis on USD JPY while I'm here. Let's scroll up to USD JPY right here. Exactly. So so there was a lot of confusion earlier on USD JPY. Some people were confused, oh, is it an uptrend, is it a downtrend? So I had to make down several breakdowns to completely make everything clear why I was looking for a short position instead of a long position. So let's get to it, guys. So as you can see, quick breakdown USD to clear out the confusion, right? So as you can see, USD JPY was on a clear downtrend right here on the H4. As you can see, at this key level, price retested and failed to break the level completely, came all the way down, got rejected. And I have this trend line here for confluence. I do not use trend lines strictly to trade. I just use them for confluence, nothing major, just to add more confluence to the trade, because the more confidence you have when you're trading, the better and the more likely your trade is going to work out. So let's get going, guys. USD JPY, as I've explained earlier, on a downtrend, broke that key level, failed to break it again on the start of the what was looking like a strong possible uptrend, but failed to break that level. And we have a clear engulfing bar right here as it came back and retested the zone. And we also had multiple engulfing bars as it formed the lower zone right here. From another level, we have another engulfing bar. So in the photo, I mentioned 2 engulfing bars at the zone. That's why I hopped in this to go short, and why I called it out in the Telegram channel. So that worked out amazing as well. Downtrend, came back and retest, clear engulfing bar, formed another level on a lower time frame, another retest, and some more rejection on that zone as well. So these trades worked out amazing, guys. USD SGD, Euro GBP, and also USD JPY as well. All of them worked out amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the breakdown. Love you all for the support, and I'll keep doing this to help you guys understand Forex trading. And check out everything in the description if you want to know more about me, more about my website, channels, and all that stuff, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next videos, guys. Peace out. Much love.